In today's video, I will walk you through how to create split screen effect in CapCut PC. Start by importing the videos or pictures you want to use for the split screen effect. Once your files are ready, drag the first clip into the timeline. This will act as the base layer for your project. After that, take the second clip and place it above the first one in the timeline, so it becomes an overlay. You can repeat this process with more clips if needed, but for this tutorial we'll focus on using 2 layers to create the split screen effect. Once both clips are placed in the timeline, select the top video layer, head over to the right side panel and choose Video. Then go into the basic settings. Here, lower the opacity of the top clip for a moment. This helps you see both videos at the same time while positioning them properly on the screen. Move the top video toward one side of the preview window. In this example, place it toward the right side. Now select the bottom video layer from the timeline and drag it toward the opposite side of the screen. Position it on the left side so both clips are balanced evenly. This step helps create a cleaner split screen layout. Once both clips are aligned the way you want, go back to the top layer and increase the opacity back to full so the video is fully visible again. Keep the top layer selected and return to the basic settings on the right panel. Look for the mask option and click on it. From the available mask types, choose Split. As soon as you apply it, a dividing line will appear across the video preview. This is what creates the split screen effect between the 2 clips. Next, go to the preview window and locate the rotation control connected to the mask line. Click and drag it to rotate the split line into the direction you want. You can make the split completely vertical, diagonal, or angled depending on the style you want for your edit. After rotating it, drag the split line itself to adjust exactly where the separation appears between the 2 clips. Continue adjusting the rotation and positioning until both videos look balanced on screen. Once everything is aligned correctly, your split screen effect is complete and ready to use in your CapCut PC project.